Hello guys, welcome to Janelle's Special Creation by Nelly channel. Please stay tuned so you can learn how to make these beautiful unicorn happy birthday banners. So just follow the step. It's pretty simple. I go step by step. I try to do it as easy as possible. So please enjoy. Hello guys, so I'm gonna be teaching you how to make the birthday banner, the unicorn birthday banner on this silhouette. So the first thing you will do, you will need the template, which I get it in Google. So I put banner, banner template. So we go to banner template. Where this comes out, you're gonna do whatever shape you would like. This is the one that I'm gonna use. So what I will do, I will just go to view image and I will right click on the thing. I don't know why this doesn't want to right click. And I will save image as, and I will save it to my desktop, and then you will press save. I already did it, so I do not have to save it again. So once you're there, we're gonna go back to your silhouette where I'm gonna make this one, minimize it, and then you're gonna drag your shape. Mine's right here, and you're gonna drag it to your mat. One is in your mat. Let's make it bigger so we can see it, and let's make this one bigger so we can see it better. We're gonna trace it over here. That is that butterfly that is right there, and we're gonna hit trace, select trace area. Then this little cross is gonna come out, so then we're gonna click on it and drag it and fill it up, the whole thing. Then we gotta make sure they all have the yellow line. So you're gonna work, you see, that's perfect. Let's make it smaller. That's perfect right there. Everything is filled in yellow, then you could trace it. Remember, everything has to be filled in, because if it's not gonna trace properly and it's not gonna cut right. Then we're gonna hit trace out of edge. Then we're gonna take this, oh no, this is the one that we don't want, so we're gonna just delete this one. So we're gonna be using this one, so we're gonna right click on it. I don't know why my every time I right click it doesn't want to do it. Then we're gonna hit release compound path, which leaves us that we could oh, where did I do that? Take it apart, and this is the one that we will be using, so we don't need this one, so let's just delete these things. Down here, let's delete it. So we're gonna be using this one, which you're gonna put it whichever side you would like. I usually do mine 6 or 5. I think 5 is good, and then 7 of high, the high 7 or 7.5. I think around there is pretty good. And that's the one I did. So there you have it. So this will be the one. Okay guys, so after I did the cuts, these are all the papers that I cut it, and this is how they turned out. Voila! You will choose whatever color you would like. These are the colors that I chose. Purple, this blue, and this pink one, because I'm doing a unicorn. And I came up with this idea. I didn't have any paper whatsoever, gold glitter paper. So I'm like, I got gold glitter vinyls. So I just printed out on vinyl, and they like stickers. So I just take them out. And you will think I would need transfer tape, but I did not use transfer tape for none of them. We just peel it off very slowly, because we do know these are stickers and they could break or tangle up together, right? So then after I did that, I just stick it to the paper and make sure, let me show you. I made sure I line them up right. And the good thing about it, that if you like stick it up, you could take it apart. So then I put them right there. Then I go like this. Voila. So after we put the letters in it, now it's time to make the hole for the banners. So what I do is I choose a few of them, like 3, 4 of them. We could do 4. And you put them together. We make sure we line them up, and then we just do it with a hole punch. You can also do this with the machine. I haven't tried it yet, but next time I will do it. So I'm missing 2 more, and I will just do 2 more and make the hole and make the hole perfectly. So after that, we just have to get whatever color string. I have this one. I want to get gold, so I don't know if I'm gonna stay with this one or get a gold one. I might get the gold, so it could go with my theme. So then you will hang all of them like that, and voila. I would now do the unicorn. So after once I do the unicorn, I will show you the whole how everything came out.